Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out a new Milani lip product. This is Milani Lip Liner. And if you look at this, it is completely clear. It is transparent, number 01. This is an anti-feathering lip liner. It stops the lip gloss from bleeding. And it's interesting. It says it primes and it fills in lines. So let's go ahead and open this up. I reached into my drawer and grabbed the most gooeyest lip gloss that I had that actually bleeds sometimes. So this is the lip gloss I'm wearing. They do not make these anymore. This is Liplicious. They used to sell these at Bath and Body Works like forever ago, and I haven't used it in a while because it did bleed. So I'm going to put this to the test right now. Let's feel what it feels like. Oh, it feels like a wax. And look, it melted like really. Can you see this? It melted like really quick, like super quick. So let's go ahead and put it on the lips and see if this works and how it feels. So I do you guys see how much it melted? That little piece like came off. Let me just take that off. I do have a little bit of foundation on my lips. Let's go ahead and try this out. So I don't see anything, neither do you. And it actually glides very nicely. How does it feel when it dries down? Yeah, it dries more like a matte, little bit, not sticky, but like it has some grip to it, wax is what it feels like. I think you guys can see it because it made my foundation a little bit whiter. Okay, now here comes the big test. Put that up. This is nice, so you don't mix it up with anything else, like your clear, not your clear, because you could think if you grab this, you were like, oh, it's my white eyeliner, but it's not. That's why it says Milani Anti-Feathering Lip Liner on it. So you won't mess that up. You guys can see how goopy this lip gloss is. Look how goopy it is. Very, very goopy. Very, very like thick and goopy. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it on. Wow. Okay, so I keep pushing it down, trying to get it like on top of the liner. And it doesn't want to go on top of the liner. Push it all the way down even more. Wow, okay. Interesting. You guys see how I'm pushing the lipstick down on top? And it does not want to come outside of that liner. Wow, okay. I'm actually kind of impressed for our first impression, even though it looks like okay, so obviously you can't have foundation on your lips when you use this because it looks like I lined my lips in white liner. It's a new look. Anyways, I'm really impressed because if I zoom in, let me zoom in. Okay guys, so I zoomed in, look. You guys can see like right here, it didn't want to come out. Right there, it didn't want to come out. And right here, I actually got it on top, but how many times did I force it? Can you see the liner right here on top? That's it right there. So let's see if I go on top of it, what it does. So I don't think it does anything if you write on top of it, besides push my lip gloss around. I'm just going to take a regular lip gloss and go ahead and line my lips on top of that. That's interesting. So as I'm doing this, it's like you can feel that the lip liner is grabbing onto that transparent. Because normally I don't get this much. If I go over on top of a lip gloss, I don't get that much pigment from my eyeliner, from my lip liner. And it's almost like it grabbed it. Let's try over here. Look at that. It grabs it. Okay guys, so my final thoughts. I actually had to fill in a little bit with this liner. I'm using, this is the Jordana Easy Line for Lips. This is called Silver Lilac. That's the color I put on my lips. I just kind of filled it in because, I don't know, don't put, my lipstick just looked funny. Don't put this over foundation. So don't have any foundation, any primer on your lips before applying this. This is meant to be applied on the bare skin, but I was actually really impressed. I thought I was going to be making like a gimmicky video showing you guys like this whatever product that they just made up to sell more lip liners. I don't know, but I was really impressed because even though I was like mushing my lips together to try to push my gooey lip gloss outside of the line, it didn't want to budge outside of the line. And then when I lined my lips, you saw how the lip liner just really adhered and grabbed onto it really quick. I thought that was really impressive, and I think that if you wore this all day, that it would actually act like that. It would stop your lipstick from bleeding. But what I would recommend if you are going to use this clear lip liner is to maybe like overdraw your lips a little bit, because you really, I don't know, it almost made it like, maybe it was just that I had the foundation on, but I felt like it made it look like my lips were a little bit smaller because the lipstick didn't come all the way out and meet the eyeliner. So it kind of shortened my lip. If I overdraw it, my lipstick is going to come all the way out to the edge of my lip and then not come outside of that. So anyways, I totally give this Milani anti-feathering liner a thumbs up. If I can find a link for it, I will post it down below. If I can't, you can find this I think I got this at Walmart. You can find this at your local grocery store, CVS, Walgreens, things like that as well. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.